This is 2021, so I thought where to put this machine which is lying around in my house for probably 2 years. I'm going to make some use case for this machine. First of all, I think I need to clean it up.
Sitting on an MSI motherboard, it is an AMD FX 6300 CPU. The CPU boasts a 6-core, 6-thread and a boost speed of up to 4.1 GHz. Talking about the RAM, it has got a 4 gigs of DDR3, 1866 MHz RAM. Power consumption, it has got a champion 500 watt PSU.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone. I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock, nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring, I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master, I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool but they not new. Whoa, look how I go, gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gonna choke, and I'm looking back down on the people below. I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
So the biggest concern is now about answering few of the questions that pop up in anybody's mind when it watch such kind of video. The question that starts is, why not Windows? Windows is the most popular, most useful, and all the apps are mostly supported on Windows OS. So why you didn't go for the Windows OS? So first of all, it is not my main PC that I will be using on daily basis. Also, Windows takes a huge resources. For example, even if we talk about basic Windows 10, it running in an idle machine takes somewhere around 2 gigs to 3 gigs of RAM. But if we move up to earlier versions like the Windows 8, it takes somewhere around 1.9 gigs to 2.5 gigs. Going to Windows 7, it takes 1.5 gigs. So basically what the problem I was dealing was that I didn't wanted to spend some extra resources, or I would say money, on getting new RAMs or stuff, because the entire system was built in 2013 or 14 probably. If I would have upgraded the RAM and other stuff, it would just have been a degraded performance because I would have to change the motherboard, CPU, GPU. So it was an entire system that would have to be changed. But now what I am doing is that I have got 4 gigs of RAM and that was pre-installed. So I am now using Linux that doesn't use that much of resources. It uses somewhere around 5 to 6%. That's roughly around a half a gig of RAM, and I'm completely fine with that. I have now got 3.5 gigs to play around in the system. Moreover, it not being my main PC, I'm not much concerned about productivity apps like the Adobe apps or some other apps. So other apps, the basic apps like the drivers and stuff, all of Windows also run on this OS that I use, the ChaletOS. The ChaletOS, the thing that attracted me towards this OS was just that it can run Windows programs as well as Linux based programs. So Linux has the advantage all over time because number one, it's an open source, it has got free licensing and stuff. It gives more accessibility and more customization than Windows offers. Also, there's no bloatware in it. You can install any app that you want, you can uninstall. They have a particular store themselves. You can run Windows apps, installing them. It's all so phenomenal. Moreover, you don't need a separate drive to install your OS on. You can install that on a 4 gigs USB drive and then just plug in and boot with that and enjoy the OS. So it gave me few advantages. It gave me a dual OS to work with. So when I only need Windows, I will boot in Windows. Whenever I only need Linux, I will go with Linux. All the basic works like browsing and stuff is completely smooth on Linux now. The Linux shift has made it more comfortable to use that PC now. Go down onto the link in the description to know more about ChaletOS. I linked their website down there. Also, it has got a very beautiful starting window that gives you access to what ChaletOS actually is. So I am fine with this OS. Let's see what the future things happen. And also, if you guys want me to upgrade my PC, you can go to the first link in the description at Buy Me a Coffee to upgrade a PC. And thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Give it a big fat thumbs up and comment what you guys feel, because we will try to bring more such videos, and a review is also being scheduled for the same. So make sure you have subscribed. So I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, goodbye.